Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about transformers. So, what is a transformer? It is a device that changes the potential difference from one value to another using electromagnetic induction. It is made up of two separate coils of wire. They are both wrapped around the same piece of metal that is usually made up of iron. The two coils in a transformer are called the primary and secondary coils. And the circuit symbol of a transformer is shown in this figure. Now, how does the transformer work? The primary coil behaves like a solenoid. When a current flows through it, a magnetic field is generated in the metal core. The secondary coil behaves like an induction coil. A current is only induced in the secondary coil when the magnetic field inside this coil changes. A transformer could be a step-down transformer where the voltage across the secondary coil is less than that in primary coil. And also it could be a step-up transformer where the voltage across the secondary coil is more than in the primary coil. So the step-up transformer increases the voltage from the primary to the secondary coil. The voltages across the primary and secondary coils are related to the number of turns on the coils. If you know the number of turns and the primary voltage, you can calculate the secondary voltage. The relationship is as shown below. And of course, this is an ideal relationship. In reality, energy is lost during the transfer.